Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today we're diving into the top 4 ring lights of 2025 that you absolutely need to check out. Whether you're into video recording, live streaming, or just need better lighting for your Zoom calls, we've got you covered. From budget-friendly options to more professional setups, we'll break down the specs, features, and performance of each ring light to help you find the perfect one for your needs. Let's get started. And as always, the links of all products in the video are in the description. These links will give you the best prices, so make sure that you use them. Alright, kicking things off with a ring light that consistently impresses me with its value for money, the UBeesize 12-inch selfie ring light. This thing is practically a staple in the budget-friendly lighting game. First off, the size is perfect for solo creators, offering a good balance of illumination without being overly large. The 12-inch diameter provides a nice, even spread of light, which is super flattering for close-up shots and selfies, hence the name. What I appreciate about this UBeesize ring light is its simplicity. It's incredibly easy to set up. The included tripod stand is lightweight yet surprisingly sturdy, extending up to a respectable 62 inches. That means you can adjust it to various heights, whether you're sitting at a desk or standing. Plus, the phone holder is universally compatible, accommodating pretty much any smartphone size. No need to fiddle with complicated adjustments. And, speaking of adjustments, this ring light offers 3 color temperature settings: warm, cool, and daylight. While it doesn't have the granular control of more expensive options, these presets are perfect for quickly adapting to different environments and getting the right vibe for your videos or photos. Now, for the real kicker, the price. You can snag this UBeesize ring light for around $30, which is an absolute steal. It's a fantastic entry point for anyone looking to improve their lighting setup without breaking the bank. Whether you're just starting your YouTube journey, need better lighting for video calls, or simply want to take better selfies, this ring light delivers. Next up, we have the Sensyne 10-inch ring light, a solid contender in the compact ring light category. This one's all about portability and convenience without compromising on features. As the name suggests, it sports a 10-inch diameter, making it slightly smaller than the UBeesize. This makes it ideal for travel or if you have limited desk space. Don't let the compact size fool you though. The Sensyne ring light still packs a punch when it comes to brightness. It features adjustable brightness levels, allowing you to fine-tune the lighting to your liking. Whether you're in a dimly lit room or need a boost of light for your makeup application, this ring light has got you covered. Similar to the UBeesize, the Sensyne ring light comes with a tripod stand. However, this one's extendable up to 50 inches, which is slightly shorter than the UBeesize but still provides decent height adjustment options. The tripod itself feels sturdy and well built, ensuring your ring light stays stable during use. One of the standout features of this ring light is its compatibility with all phones. The phone holder is designed to accommodate various phone sizes and even rotates 360 degrees. This means you can easily switch between portrait and landscape orientations without having to remount your phone. And all of this comes at a price that's hard to beat, just $29.99. It's a fantastic value proposition for anyone seeking a portable and versatile ring light solution. Chapter 3. Yesker Ring Light. 18-inch stepping up the game. Now let's move into some larger options, starting with the Yesker Ring Light 18-inch. This is a significant step up in size and features, making it suitable for more demanding content creation needs. As you might have guessed, this ring light boasts an 18-inch diameter, providing a wider and more encompassing light source. This is particularly beneficial for those who film videos with multiple subjects or need broader illumination for their setup. One of the standout features of this Yesker ring light is its adjustable color temperature, ranging from 3200 Kelvin to 6000 Kelvin. This wide range allows you to fine-tune the lighting from warm to cool tones, giving you greater control over the mood and ambiance of your videos or photos. Whether you want a cozy, warm feel or a clean daylight look, this ring light can deliver. The included tripod stand is also a major plus. It extends up to a whopping 73 inches, providing ample height adjustment options. This is particularly useful for standing setups, or if you need to position the ring light above your subject. The tripod itself is made of sturdy aluminum alloy, ensuring stability even at its maximum height. Another great feature of this Yesker ring light is its remote control. You can easily adjust the brightness and color temperature from a distance, eliminating the need to constantly reach for the ring light itself. This is super convenient, especially during longer recording sessions. Priced at $60, this ring light offers a compelling balance of features and performance for serious content creators. Chapter 4. ACMEZING Video Conference Lighting Kit. Best for remote work. Last but not least, we have a slightly different take on the ring light concept with the ACMEZING Video Conference Lighting Kit. This one's specifically designed for remote work and video conferencing, offering a compact and convenient solution to elevate your virtual meetings. What sets this ring light apart is its unique design. Instead of a traditional tripod setup, the ACMEZING ring light clips directly onto your laptop monitor. This makes it incredibly portable and eliminates the need for any additional stands or equipment. It's perfect for those who are constantly on the go or have limited desk space. Don't let the compact size fool you though. This ring light still packs a punch when it comes to features. It offers 5 dimmable colors and 5 brightness levels, allowing you to fine-tune the lighting to your liking. Whether you're in a dimly lit room or need to adjust for different times of day, this ring light has got you covered. The clip-on design also ensures that the light is always positioned perfectly in front of your face, eliminating any unflattering shadows and ensuring you look your best on camera. This is particularly important for video conferences, where first impressions matter. And perhaps the best part? The ACMEZING Video Conference Lighting Kit is incredibly affordable, priced at just $19.79. It's a no-brainer for anyone looking to improve their lighting for video calls without breaking the bank. And there you have it, folks, the top 4 ring lights of 2025. Whether you're a seasoned content creator or just need better lighting for your video calls, these options have got you covered. From budget-friendly picks to more advanced setups, there's a ring light out there for everyone. Remember, good lighting can make a world of difference in how you look and feel on camera. Now I'd love to hear from you. Which ring light caught your eye? Let me know in the comments down below. And while you're there, don't forget to drop a like if you found this video helpful. It really helps out the channel. As always, thanks for watching, and I'll catch you in the next one.